Alright guys, so today we actually have the teaser for the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Okay, Samsung posted this teaser. So let me go ahead and mute the audio because I'm sure that the audio is copyrighted. And let's go ahead and watch this. So we start off right away. Before we go, we're going to stop this and go back every frame to look at it, but this is what the phone looks like. And the thing that Tom's Hardware talks about in this article is the fact that it's a gapless display. So let's just go ahead and get right into this. So starting off right away, okay, the camera bump's not that bad at all. Now, for the Galaxy Z Flip series, usually the camera bump isn't like ridiculously crazy. It's usually just kind of like a tiny little thing. It's not like, you know, you go to, I'm just going to pull out an iPhone, for example, but you see the iPhone, and the iPhone isn't too insane crazy either. But it's not, like, that far out. It's just a tad bit out, right? Now, let's go ahead and, so we got what? We got a volume rocker here, power button here. So it's going to be the same exact layout as the Galaxy Z Flip 4 then, right? I'm going to guess. Yeah, same exact layout as the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Fingerprint, power button, and volume rocker. Okay. Let's see. Anything else we can see here? Go through. Hold up. Hang on. Let's go through here. So this is what they're talking about, the gapless, the hinge. Which, again, they get an upgraded hinge, which is an absolute W. And again, I am excited to see how well this performs. Like, sell-wise, how much people actually buy this phone. Because, again, you got to keep in mind that this phone is actually an upgrade. And I say that because the Z Fold 5 is not an actual upgrade. This is an actual upgrade from the previous version, the outside display. And I'm surprised they don't show it off in this teaser trailer, in all honesty, because I feel like that's the best thing to get people excited. Because let's say I don't follow leaks, right? Let's say I don't follow leaks at all. I'm a regular person who just doesn't really like technology, but, you know, I know news. I'm on Twitter, right? And I see this, and I'm watching it, right? I'm like, what's this? Samsung. Galaxy Z Flip 5. Oh, looks exactly the same as the last generation one. I'm not buying that crap. You see what I'm saying? Now, if they would have done this teaser trailer, and I know it's just a teaser trailer, I understand that. It's not an actual, like, full-on trailer of the actual phone. But if they would have, like, when they did this, right? If it would have turned, you saw the beautiful outside display, and then it closed slowly at the end, maybe? Someone sees that and they go, wait, I have a Z Flip 4. That doesn't do that. Missed opportunity. Missed opportunity, Samsung. Now, again, this is not going to be the only teaser trailer we get. We're going to get more than this. But I'm just saying, in the context of missed opportunity, this is missed opportunity. But still, it's still cool. I mean, we don't want to get too much details. I know I was trying to, like, you know, Sherlock Holmes my way through this video, but there's not really much we get. It looks exactly the same as the Z Flip 4, except for the hinge, and the outside display is going to be bigger. I think it's also a little bit thinner, I believe. So, overall, not bad. I give it a W. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.